Good day mga kasweldo. So, naka-compress work week ka at kailangan mo mag-file ng leave. Ilang days nga ba ang bawas sa'yo nito? So, dun sa previous videos natin, napag-aralan natin kung ilang oras yung dapat mong ipasok or ilang working hours yung kailangan mo i-render pag naka-compress work week. So, basically, kung ilang oras yung equivalent hours or working hours ng shift natin, yun din yung bawas sa ating leave days. So, halimbawa, naka 10 hours yung shift natin for the day. So, i-divide lang natin yun by 8 or 8 working hours a day. So, yun din yung equivalent deduction ninyo. So, 10 divided by 8 is equivalent to 1.25. So, pag nag-leave ka ng naka-compress work week ka, na kailangan mong pumasok ng 10 hours, ang deduction mo dapat is 1.25. So, paano naman pag 11 hours yung shift mo? So, again, 11 divided by 8. So, yan is 1.375. Okay? So, paano naman pag 9 hours? Ganun din, kasweldo. So, 9 divided by 8 is equals to 1.125. So, tandaan, ang deduction natin sa leave days is equivalent to ilang oras yung working hours ng shift ninyo divided by 8. Okay? So kung may question pa kayo, pa-comment na lang sa baba. Please like and follow for more.